know what? It's okay even if you can't see me, okay? It's okay. It's okay that you can't see me.
I'm headed straight for the castle. They wanna make me their queen.
Another down night. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another video. Let's go to the castle, shall we? So hi. Welcome to another one of my vlogs. To be honest, I actually like vlogging more than the sit-down videos. I enjoy all, but vlogging is nice. It's a lot to edit, but it's nice. So welcome to another vlog. My name is Tenta, like going straight to the castle with Tenta in the title. Yeah, that's me. And yeah, today's vlog. So today's Sunday, the 2nd of May. Happy Labor Day, happy new month. Yeah, oh, the forest is starting to look green. Let me show you guys. Spring is in full effect. Yes, so I'm just heading out into the city. I just left home. Initially I wanted to, like, you know, do a little bit of shopping because almost everything is open now. How exciting is that? I'm so excited and I'm scared at the same time because I have not been to like a shop in a very long time to just, like, you know, shop. So I want to do a little bit. I just don't know if I have enough time to do it before, or maybe I can like leave my chill earlier. So me and my classmates, we decided to have a link up this afternoon in the park and just chill. So that's the main thing of this outing, the main thing of this vlog, this Sunday vlog. Yes, and so that's where I'm going. But I still want to squeeze in a little bit of shopping. Let's see if we can squeeze in a little shopping. But as for right now, let's go. I'm really impressed. Like, spring is in full effect. It's green, which is good. So let's have a Sunday vlog, you guys. Don't forget, of course, to do the jazz. We're growing. A random person was in my inbox the other day and was like, I love your videos, blah blah blah. And you know, I was like a little bit confused a bit, and then I was like, oh shit, we're growing, we're embracing the change. Change is a good thing. I think I started actually posting these videos instead of just like keeping them to myself. I started making them for posting, to throw myself a little bit more out there, like give yourself a challenge. So this has been my challenge for me. So it's nice that we're growing. So don't forget to do the jazz, subscribe, let's get to know each other, and what else, give a thumbs up to the video, and yes, all those nice things. So let's go Sunday, guys. I bet. Hi ladies. Hi. See? This is so nice.
Yeah. And then in the summer, these trees are all like green. And then in the fall, they're all bright orange.
Wow, now that I can't wait to see.
Yeah. It's very cool.
Really, really cool. What is that? What's up? Hi. So I'm walking back home now. Our little class chat is done. We just basically sat around in a circle and we just talked about different things that are not class related, and it was nice. It was nice. I only filmed like one small clip because people were camera shy and didn't want to make people uncomfortable, so I'm so out of breath. So now I'm walking home and I just passed like the coolest thing that you just saw, like the band playing, which is like so cool. And oh my god, I need to work out more. Jeez. But in my defense, the stairs were a lot. They were a lot. Yeah. So now I'm just heading home to do my homework because we're all actually just laughing. But honestly, even I forgot that we had homework. So let's go do homework. Where's the nice sun? Let's go do some homework. Let's go home, guys. Can you believe I haven't eaten today because I kind of woke up late because it's a Sunday and then I had to go to this thing. And lucky enough, I bought like a juice. So that's what I drank the whole time. And now I'm just like, I'm so hungry. So hungry. Anyway, let's go home, guys. Hello. So I'm back home. You can't see me. Opposite of the sun. You know what? It's okay even if you can't see me, okay? It's okay. It's okay that you can't see me. Back home now, I just sat down. I'm just going to quickly eat and then get to doing my homework. So that was my Sunday adventure. I hope you liked this video and I will see you in the next one. Toodles!